Hey guys, today I'll be showing you the best way to make your own DIY deep conditioner. So here are all the ingredients that I'll be using today. Start off with 1 whole banana, honey, apple cider vinegar, avocado oil, almond oil, tea tree oil, and lastly an avocado. We first start off with the banana. The banana is great for giving your hair the shine and softness it needs. You can use a whole avocado depending on how much hair you have. The avocado is great for moisturizing the scalp. I blended the two for about 2 minutes to make sure there's no clumps. I go in with the apple cider. The apple cider is great for cleansing and clarifying the scalp. I add about 4 to 5 drops. Then I add the almond oil to prevent any breakage of the hair. Then I go in with the avocado oil, which is good for treating damaged hair. I add honey to help retain moisture. And finally, I add the tea tree oil to fight dandruff and hair loss. I blend all those ingredients together for another minute. I get an old bowl that I barely use and pour the conditioner in. So here I am with the old protective style that I had. As you can tell, my hair is really dry and needs a very good deep conditioner. So off camera, I did split my hair into 4 so I can apply the conditioner to every section. I mixed my hair with water and oil to make it easier to finger detangle. As you can see, I do take my time so I could get all the knots out. I went ahead and started applying the conditioner on a section of hair. After that, I twist each section and bantu knot it. After I was done, I took out all this section to show you guys how my hair looked after I applied the conditioner. This is my hair after it has been washed with no product. I did sit with the conditioner in my hair for 30 minutes. This was my hair today after I added product. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. Please like and subscribe.